Okay, this is my wife's Acer One D255E netbook, and as you can see, the screen is not good. It needs to be replaced, so we're going to show you how to do that. So first thing, we need to power it off. And I'll just pull the battery from the cord. So there's no power now. First thing we're going to do is remove the bezel, and to do that we have to put two screws that are hidden here. There's a sticker on either side hiding the screw, so just peel it off. You can save it to put it on later. Just remove the screws. So now to get the bezel off, you just kind of tie your fingernails in here, and you'll hear it kind of popping off. Just work your way around. There you go. Set that aside. So there's 4 screws holding the screen on. 4 black screws. Remove those. Screen, just kind of pull down gently, and be careful because there is some tape holding wires on the back here for the webcam. And lay down on the keyboard, and there's the connector right here, and there's a piece of tape holding it in place. Just gently remove that. For use later, and remove the connector gently inside your old screen. And the new screen I got from screencountry.com. Set that in place, attach the connector. Place. Touch the tape again, just hold it in place, and just going to reverse the process. Put this back in place, make sure the screw holes line up. Screw. Put the bezel back on. Start the bottom here. Snap it back together. in here, have the bezel on. Replace your stickers to cover up the screws. Put our battery back in. And should power on and see if the screen works. It appears to work. That's it.